Are you looking for a reliable and profitable investment option in the Indian stock market? Look no further than Nifty. As one of the most popular and successful benchmark indices in India, Nifty has a lot to offer investors. In this video, I'll be sharing with you why Nifty is the best investment option for investors in India. So, if you're interested in learning more about Nifty and how it can help you grow your wealth, keep watching. Hello friends, in this video, I'm going to share with you why Nifty is the best investment option for investors in India. For those of you who don't know, Nifty is the flagship index of the National Stock Exchange of India, NSE, which comprises the top 50 stocks listed on the exchange. But why should you invest in Nifty? Here are some reasons. 1. Diversification. Nifty comprises a diverse set of sectors, which means that by investing in Nifty, you are investing in multiple sectors at once, reducing the risk of concentration in any one sector. 2. Liquidity. Nifty stocks are highly liquid, which means that you can buy and sell them easily without affecting the stock's price. This makes it easy to exit your position when you need to. 3. Stability. As a benchmark index, Nifty is less volatile than individual stocks, which means that it is a relatively stable investment option. This makes it a great option for investors who are looking for long-term growth. 4. Performance. Nifty has historically outperformed most other indices in the Indian stock market, which means that it is a profitable investment option. 5. Low cost. Nifty index funds and ETFs have lower expense ratios than actively managed funds. This means that by investing in Nifty, you can save on management fees and earn high returns in the long run. 6. Transparency. As a benchmark index, Nifty is transparent and easy to track. The stocks in Nifty are selected based on strict criteria, and any changes in the index are announced in advance, giving investors ample time to adjust their portfolios. 7. Easy to access. Nifty is easily accessible to retail investors, as it is available in the form of index funds and ETFs, which can be purchased through any broker or online investment platform. 8. Historical performance. Nifty has consistently delivered higher returns than many other investment options in the Indian stock market, making it a popular choice among investors. 9. Risk mitigation. Nifty is a well-diversified index that includes stocks from various sectors and industries. This helps in reducing the risk associated with investing in individual stocks. By investing in Nifty, investors can take advantage of all these benefits and grow their wealth in a reliable and profitable way. To sum it up, Nifty is a highly diversified and stable investment option that offers attractive returns to investors. With its low cost, transparency, and easy accessibility, Nifty is a great choice for both novice and experienced investors alike. So, if you're looking to grow your wealth in the Indian stock market, consider investing in Nifty. Don't wait, start investing in Nifty today and reap the benefits for years to come. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.